Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to install NFS Unbound game trial in your Xbox. If you have Xbox Game Pass, right, you can install on your Xbox console, whether it's a Xbox Series or Xbox One. Even right, you can install on your PC. So what you need to do is just you need to go to store. So here I'm going to search NFS Unbound. So here is NFS Unbound. So you need to tap it. So there will be amount. So just ignore and select any of this game. Here you can see this free trial with EA Play. Tap free trial with EA Play. Super cool. You can install all or you can choose what to install. So this is the one I need to install. Okay, I'm selecting it and install it. So that's it, friends. It's a 28 GB, right? So I'm installing expansion storage. So totally it's a 28 GB. Super cool. Also, you can install this trial version on your Xbox Game Pass on your PC. Open Xbox Game Pass app. You should be having active Xbox Game Pass subscriptions. And here just scroll down. You can see this EA Games, EA Play. So here NFS Unbound is there. Click on that NFS Unbound. 10 hours is free. So install it. So it started downloading. See, also the downloading is in progress. Now coming back to console. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback. Some beautiful. Thank you. Bye and take care.